Hey you guys, so let me tell you, a couple of days ago, I opened up the door and I had a package with the signature Erin Condren fleur-de-lis on it. And I was like, oh my gosh, okay, I cannot wait to see what's inside. And let me tell you, I was blown away by what was inside this box. For International Women's Day, Erin Condren has gotten together with DC Comics and they have a Erin Condren and Wonder Woman collaboration. I am so excited to show you guys this. I can't even believe that I was chosen to be one of the few people that get a sneak peek of this, but I can't wait for you guys to see it. All of this stuff goes on sale on the Erin Condren website on March 11th. So coming up in just a few days. I, of course, did not get everything. So you need to check around on Instagram and YouTube for the hashtag Erin Condren Hero Project, because this collaboration is all about celebrating the heroes in your life, because we're talking about a female created Erin Condren entrepreneur company. This is a female led company. And of course, one of the greatest female superheroes of all time. So let's celebrate the heroes in our lives. If you can, in the comments down below, let me know who some of your heroes are in your life. And let's share the love, let's share the excitement, and share the celebration of International Women's Day. So now, without any further words from me, let me show you what I got in my Erin Condren and Wonder Woman collab box. You guys are gonna love this. I am so excited. Okay, you guys, here we go. I am going to unbox this super exciting, super secret collab from Wonder Woman and Erin Condren. I have not opened it at all. I haven't looked inside. I just covered up my address, and then I did actually kind of open it and peek, but I didn't see what was in. But I was like, okay, do I want to do an unboxing, or do I want to unbox it myself and then come in and show you whatever was here? And then I was like, oh my gosh, I have to unbox it at least as best I can to show you guys how cool this looks. And I know you're not going to be able to see it because of the angle of everything, and I can't necessarily show you, because the box is in the way. I guess I could cut it off, but look how cool this is with the gold and the red and then the navy little sticker here. I really want to see if I can pull this up and still be able to keep it without messing up the sticker, because I want to keep this sticker. Fingers crossed. Success. Okay, so then I can just kind of pull it up from this later, because I don't care about the tissue paper as much. So let's see what's inside. There's also a little card here that says, in honor of International Women's Day and in celebration of Erin Condren's upcoming collaboration with Wonder Woman, we are recognizing the superheroes in our lives. During the month of March on social media, we will be celebrating the everyday heroes who have lifted us up, inspired or supported us, inviting others to join in this moment and pay it forward by recognizing the heroes in their lives. Make sure to hashtag Erin Condren Hero Project and hashtag Wonder Woman to be a part of this positive and inspiring campaign that recognizes the everyday heroes among us. Absolutely love it. I'm so excited. So this is an official collab with DC Comics, and oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what they sent me. I'm so excited. Okay. I have to calm down because I don't know why I get so giddy about this, but I am a huge Wonder Woman fan. I have been since I was a little girl. And so to get this is so exciting. So these are not new. I've seen these before. This is the designer metallic markers. So there's one in silver and one in gold. Great markers. I love the way these write on black paper. Then we get into some Wonder Woman stuff. So this is a petite journal. It says Classic Wonder Woman and Erin Condren. This has 80 productivity pages. So I love the productivity page. I love the productivity page layout because of the sidebar, and they don't have regular petite journals that come with this sidebar. So this is very exciting, and look how awesome these colors are. And then you open it up and it says believe you can. And of course I love believe. I've got a tattoo of the word believe here. Was my first tattoo right before I self-published my books. So it's a big word for me. I love it. Of course, regular Erin Condren paper and a gorgeous notebook. I'm going to kind of move the box out of the way so I can fit everything else here. So, oh my gosh, look at these stickers. So hopefully this is showing up well on camera, but these are Wonder Woman stickers, and they're high gloss, and they're puffy stickers. So they're like kind of like enamel stickers. So they've got Wonder Woman, some stars, some Erin Condren stars, and then the Wonder Woman insignia, and then pow, pow, pow. And then of course the Wonder Woman bustier and her crown, or whatever you want to call it. I'm sure there's an official Wonder Woman-y name for that thing. And then we've got some Wonder Woman round stickers, like a shield down here. Very cool. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so this one says be the hero. Let me pull this out. Oh my God, look at this. In the back, it's got a picture of Wonder Woman. Oh, it's on the front too. So in the background is Wonder Woman with these gold stars. And this one is just lined. So let's see what it says in the front. Nothing, no front page, just the front page to put your name. And then it's just a lined journal. I love that. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is so exciting. Okay, so Wonder Woman and Erin Condren softbound notebooks. So these, I think, are some of their newer softbound notebooks in, of course, a new design. So here we go. It's very much like pearl with a lot of stars, and then the Wonder Woman logo here. And then the inside, oh, I love that. It says be the hero on the front, and then you've got the place to put your name, and then it's just a lined journal with the gold edging on the pages. Definitely love this. It also has a ribbon here to use. There's another one. I see another one in here, so I'm going to grab that. I don't know if they sent the same thing to everyone who's reviewing this, or if everybody got different things. So it'll be exciting to kind of watch on YouTube to see if people got different stuff. Oh my gosh, I love this one too. So this is navy, and it just has like the embossed star with the Wonder Woman logo with a bunch of like sunbursts coming out of it, and the same on the back. Yay, I love the gold foiling. You guys, this is so beautiful. I hope this is showing up well on camera because it's really beautiful in person. So again, lined pages on the inside. And I know that their new softbound notebooks are more like lay flat. So if you lay them down, yep, they're laying down pretty flat. So pretty nice notebooks to have. And I love the lines on this. I know they have some new dot grid too, but these two are both in lined. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so then we have a planning pack here that has a backing card that says plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. And of course, these planning packs, you can put tons of pins, washi tape, all that in it, and has kind of a little pocket so you can hold it, and then it goes with the elastic. It can go around your notebook. It fits perfectly on the notebooks, but it can also go around your planner too. And I love this like sparkly red elastic back here. So this doesn't have any Wonder Woman logo stuff on it, but it is the same colors. It has the blue interior here, so that matches perfectly. Then we have, oh my gosh, this has my name on it. Thank you so much to Tori, who has arranged all of this from Erin Condren. I am so excited about this. This is ridiculous. Okay, so this is one of their new classic lined notebooks. I've reviewed these already in my March notebook challenge because look how many pages this has. I love these notebooks, and they're such a good price. And now this must be one of their new covers in the store, and they put it with my name on it. And you guys, just to have people spell my name correctly is just like a feat in and of itself, because I have 2 R's in Sarah. So this makes me so happy. I love this blue Wonder Woman. This is like my new favorite. And what I love about this is I can pull this off and put it on my main Erin Condren planner if I want to, or I can keep it on the notebook. So that is awesome. There's still more stuff in here. So there's a few more things. So what we have is 3 of the colorful dual tip markers that kind of match the Wonder Woman theme here with the red, blue, and then a black one. If you haven't used these dual tip markers, I really like these because there's one that's a fine point pen that is really nice to just write regular, and then the other is a little bit thicker of a marker that you can use for coloring, or you can use for like shading darker lines and things like that, kind of like faux calligraphy and things. And then the final things in my box are these two beautiful notebooks and these two beautiful notepads. So they both say "Be the Hero" with the Wonder Woman logo at the top. And I use these notepads all the time because I like to have at least one sitting on my desk. And I just love the paper. You cannot beat the Erin Condren paper. It's so nice. I just absolutely love writing on it. So I keep these at my desk, not only because they're beautiful and they're just nice to look at when I'm working, and it keeps my desk looking nice, even though I'm keeping notepad on there, but also because it's so useful, because I'm just always like jotting down like what links need to go in a video, or a new idea that I had for a newsletter or social media post or something like that. But what I also love about these notepads is that you can put them right in the back and carry them with your planner, because they fit just about perfectly in the back of your planner. So I love them. I cannot believe all this goodness. And there is other stuff, I know, because on the front here, you can see there's like a gold version of this. And it looks like it says folio available in April. So maybe this hasn't come out yet, but this is like a gold folio that has the same Wonder Woman embossed logo as this, but it's gold, and it's one of their planner folios. So definitely when April hits, I'm going to be ordering that, because that is so cool. So there's other things. So maybe check out around YouTube, look for this hashtag, the Erin Condren Hero Project, and hashtag Wonder Woman together, to see what other, types of items have been sent to people from Erin Condren. This is such a dream come true. I am so happy and excited to be a part of the official EC squad this year. It just feels like I have admired the Erin Condren brand for so long, and so to be kind of a brand ambassador for them means the world to me. And the fact that Tori sent this and I was chosen to get this, I'm just super, super grateful to be able to not only have it, but to show it to all of you, and be one of the first to kind of show it. I'm going to try my best to kind of arrange it so you can see everything. I think if I had to say out of all of this what my favorite things are, it's hard. Okay, the stickers for sure. Especially her little like bustier outfit. I love that. I think it looks amazing, and I can't wait to just put that on some kind of positive reinforcement, encouragement in my journal. It's gonna look great. And then, I don't know, it's all so good. I do love both of the planner folios, the petite planners here. I love using the petite planners in my folio system, and I love the fact that I can kind of change them out and customize my folio according to the month. But I have to say, you guys know I'm a notebook person, so I have to say that these two notebooks are probably my favorite thing in the entire set. So the gold foiling is beautiful. The nice like soft bound cover, these are like a faux leather cover, feels really nice. And you know what, when I put these, I have several other of these notebooks. When you put these in a row, like on a bookcase, they look so nice together. And I think these stars are like so perfectly placed. They're gonna look really nice. And then of course the gold edged pages. Yeah, these are my favorite. I'm not sure what price these are going to be. You can go check out this collab on erincondren.com. I will have a link for you down below where you can go check out all of this goodness and find it on their site. If you are new to Erin Condren and you've never purchased anything before, when you sign up for an account using my link below, they will send you a $10 gift code that you can use on your first order. Also, if you have ordered from Erin Condren before, but you're not a member of their EC Insider program, which is their rewards program, you definitely need to join. So I will also include a link down there for the EC Insider program. So when you join, I think you get like an automatic 500 points, but then you can share on social media and like their posts or go follow them on social media, and you can earn another 500 points, which will get you to $10 free. So it's another good way to earn some money to be able to spend and buy some of these amazing things. So thank you so much to Erin Condren for sending these to me. Tori, I very much appreciate you. And thank you guys so much for watching. I didn't even know this was coming until she emailed me and said, I've got a box on the way for you. And I just feel like the luckiest girl in the world. I just love the fact that they are using Wonder Woman, who is such a like one of the greatest female heroines of all time to, you know, celebrate the heroes in our lives. I think this is a really cool initiative, and the fact that they are doing this official collab is just so cool. So go and check it out on their site. Let me know in the comments what you thought of it and what your favorite product here is and what you think you might be ordering. So I am so excited. Thanks, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, guys, that's it. Oh my gosh, I hope that you love it just as much as I do. I did a little sneak peek on Instagram yesterday, and so many people were messaging me like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. I just think this is like one of the coolest collabs I've ever seen for a stationery company, and just, I don't know, I love it. I have always admired Erin Condren herself. Like, you talk about heroes in your life. She's been on my vision board, confession time. She has been, a picture of her has been on my vision board for years because I am such a planner girl. Not only did I want to, you know, really become more of like a brand ambassador and a part of the Erin Condren brand, which has, you know, truly started to come true, but also I have wanted to have my own planners out there for writers and to, you know, be able to share my love of planning with the world. And that is also coming true here on Heart Breathing. So Erin Condren, I know you're probably not watching this, but you are definitely one of my heroes as well. I would love for you guys to let me know in the comments who your heroes are. Gosh, when I start thinking about who the heroes in my life are, there are so many women who have just been there for me, who have lifted me up, who have inspired me. And one of them is Tanya Gonzalez. She is a tarot life coach, and she has helped me through, basically like a spiritual therapist, through some of the darkest times of my life. She has truly put me on the right path. You can follow her if you're interested on Instagram at Brown Girls Who Bruja. She is truly an inspiration to me, and she is one of my heroes, and I trust her and I love her with all my heart, and she has been such a positive influence in my life. So if you want to go follow someone who will give you some positive inspiration and to go support a woman who is really putting some good vibes out into the universe and really teaching and healing the world, go follow Tanya Gonzalez, who is one of my heroes. I would love to hear from you in the comments of who your heroes are. Also, let me know which ones are your favorite, you know, items from this collab. I have an idea of how I'm going to use that white Wonder Woman notebook with the stars on it. So you guys will probably see that in my April notebook challenge. And maybe we should do a Wonder Woman Erin Condren collab giveaway here on the channel coming up. So let me know if you'd be interested in that. Like I said, these products do go on sale on March 11th. So I will be posting over on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll probably mention it here again on the channel as soon as those go live. Also, I just wanted to remind you guys real quick before I go that registration and enrollment for my HB90 bootcamp is open right now. If this used to be a 3-day bootcamp, but now it's a full 7-day bootcamp, totally new videos, all new recorded content to make it even better than ever, because I've taken all the feedback from the previous several rounds of bootcamp and I've used it to make the program even stronger. So if you're interested, come join us in the HB90 bootcamp. You have a week to join because we'll be starting a week from today. All right, guys, that's all I have from you. I hope that you loved this collab. Thank you again to Erin Condren for sending this box out to me. I am sincerely appreciative, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.